going to segue into number 4, and I believe Keith is here along with Ed Kaplan, the attorney, who is asked to address the board.
Yeah, I just wanted to briefly provide a public apology for the fact that the school board on the 14th acted with incomplete information from counsel, and we just wanted to publicly apologize. I sent out the email on Friday correcting our error from last week, and just wanted to allow Ed Kaplan a brief moment to kind of explain where he initially came in from his conclusions. From Holloway and Hollis. He's the school district's attorney.
And actually, I'm here to fall on my sword, so let me do it gracefully and explain what occurred in this case. As some of you may know, I represent a lot of school districts. Shortly before I received the call from Goffstown, I had been working with a non-SB2 district in connection with certain budgetary and posting warrant article questions. I received a question from the school district concerning circumstances that I think you all know about regarding posting and providing budgets and the like, and proceeded to respond to the question, and frankly, in responding, forgot, although I've been working with Goffstown for a long time, I just forgot that it was an SB2 district and controlled under the different provisions of the statute. The advice I provided to the district was absolutely correct. Unfortunately, it didn't apply to Goffstown. It applied to other towns. And so when I figured that out, had a conversation, and we corrected that. Luckily, like many mistakes in life, this is not a mistake that should cause any significant troubles or difficulties, because it is a correctable mistake, correctable within the right and appropriate timing. And so we advised the district accordingly and advised them to correct the action they took based on our advice, and I think are currently in the appropriate situation with regard to what will be happening with the posting and with the warrants. I don't know if there's any other questions that I can answer, or if I can provide any further information for you that will help anybody. I'm happy to do so.
Let me do that. Questions from the committee? Bill, Gordon.
I would say I appreciate you coming forward. However, I would really like to know what this is costing the taxpayers.
What is costing the taxpayers?
What it cost the taxpayers for what went on in terms of, you know, like how many hours, how many dollars?
Well, first of all, I'm not inclined to discuss with the Budget Committee or anybody else the relationship with a client that has our services, but I will tell you, because I think it's appropriate, that we immediately advised the district that they would suffer no charges for the work that we did that was a mistake.
Okay, thank you.
Which is not any different than I would do for any client of any of the lawyers.